For tonight's homework, lesson 12, we are solving and making our own fraction word problems that involve addition, subtraction, and or multiplication. We are going to do problem 4 from their homework for the purpose of this video. The students do not have to do tape diagrams. They just need to show all their work and solve. And in some cases, create the problem and then solve it. We're going to do number 4, as I said, at a track meet. Jacob and Daniel compete in the 220-meter hurdles. Daniel finishes in 3/4 of a minute. Jacob finishes with 5/12 of a minute remaining. Who ran the race in a faster time? Recording. So I'm going to separate this problem into Daniel and then Jacob. And I need to figure out what fraction of a minute they finished the race in. So Daniel finished in 3/4 of, or times, a minute. So I'm going to put 60 seconds, which is in a minute. So that's how you figure out Daniel's. Jacob is a little trickier. Jacob, he finished with 5/12 of a minute remaining. That means that if you take the whole minute and you take out what was left, if you want to figure out what time he used, you would do this subtraction problem. So Jacob's would actually be 7/12 of 60 over 1, or of 60. Okay? So this is how you would figure out both of theirs. Now, in both of these problems, you can cross-cancel or cross-simplify. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 60 15 times. So to get this problem, you would do 3 times 15 over 1 times 1. And that would give you 45 seconds. Because it's a fraction of a minute, so we're now into seconds. Jacob, cross-canceling, 12 goes into 12 once. 12 goes into 65 times. So you're left with 7 times 5 over 1 times 1. And that would be 35 seconds. So you could see that Jacob finished the race 10 seconds faster than Daniel. So to answer the question that they're asking, who ran the race faster, Jacob ran the race faster because his time is shorter. So this is the faster time. Now if we're looking at the bonus in number 4, and we always try and do the bonus questions, you take the difference in their times, which is 10 seconds, by the way. 45 minus 35 is 10. So we'll take the difference, 10 seconds, and we want to express that in a fraction. So we'll do it over 60, because there's 60 seconds in a minute. So if we wanted to simplify that, we would just divide by 10, top and bottom. And to simplify the difference in their times as a fraction of a minute, the bonus answer to the bonus question would be 1/6.